This is the one planet in our solar system that spins backward, and scientists are still not sure why. Most planets in our solar system rotate on their axis with a slight tilt. They spin counterclockwise as viewed from above the sun's north pole, Earth included. But Venus spins clockwise, opposite to Earth. It's also so slow that one day on Venus is longer than its year. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days long, but one day is 243 Earth days long. Scientists think that a massive object has crashed into Venus long ago, flipping it on its side. Others say that Venus has super dense atmosphere and tidal forces from the sun that Earth could have gradually reversed its spin. Whatever the reason, this extreme rotation contributes to Venus's extreme climate, scorching hot with surface temps as high as 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and covered in sulfuric acid clouds. Venus also has no magnetic field like Earth because its rotation is too slow and reversed. If you were on Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. And after all these years, scientists still don't know the exact reason why Venus rotates the wrong way. But this just goes to show that in space, not everything has to make sense. Sometimes the universe just breaks the mold.